Honey and cinnamon benefits for skin, cough, and arthritis. Are you looking honey and cinnamon benefits for skin, cough, and arthritis? Honey and cinnamon have traditionally been household items that possess immense health benefits. You might have been using these ingredients individually, but when used in combination has an additive effect. Honey is available in raw or refined form. The refined form of honey is readily available in the market and has good nutritional value. Honey and cinnamon for acne. The antibacterial properties of the two ingredients help fight bacteria and prevent the formation of ugly spots on the skin. The sticky honey can also help in removing dirt and debris from the skin. Cinnamon facilitates the formation of collagen and hence can also be used as an anti-aging agent. Make a thick paste of honey and cinnamon and apply it to the affected area. Leave the mixture for 15 minutes and wash it with lukewarm water. Honey and cinnamon for cough and cold. Honey has been traditionally used in preventing cough. Cinnamaldehyde in cinnamon has immunomodulation properties. The two ingredients work together to strengthen immune strength and protect from seasonal changes. The combination of honey and cinnamon can also help prevent sinuses, cough, and cold in the winter season. In lukewarm water, add a pinch of cinnamon powder and honey to taste and drink it in the morning or at bedtime. You can also add little lemon juice. Honey and cinnamon for arthritis. Studies support the use of cinnamon to prevent bone resorption. It acts on osteoclast cells and prevents bone damage. Both cinnamon and honey possess anti-inflammatory properties that can help prevent inflammation of joints. They are for relieving pain. Cinnamon also improves blood circulation and hence can help reduce joint swelling. The mixture can be applied as a paste on the affected joints or used as a drink. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1 tablespoon of honey in lukewarm is all you need to get relief from arthritis pain. Honey and cinnamon for weight loss. Honey helps in preventing the deposition of fat in the body, and cinnamon suppresses appetite. When the mixture is consumed and the diet and exercise, it helps people lose weight and be in good health. The combination also helps in removing belly fat. Take 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 cup of water. In hot water, add the cinnamon powder and let it steep for 15 minutes. Once the mixture has reached room temperature, add honey. Consume this mixture twice daily on an empty stomach, morning and evening. Helps treat indigestion and other gastric issues. Honey is full of nutrients. When consumed, gets absorbed quickly, giving you instant energy and strength. It soothes the membranes of the digestive tract and prevents the growth of bacteria. It also initiates the release of gastric juices, hence valuable for indigestion. Cinnamon relieves heartburn, cramps, and decreased secretion of gastric acid. Consume 2 tablespoons of honey sprinkled with a pinch of cinnamon before meals. Cinnamon and honey for heart disease. Honey and cinnamon are packed with antioxidants that prevent free radical damage in the body and hence are pretty helpful in reducing the risk of heart diseases. People with high blood pressure and increased levels of LDL and VLDL are at increased risk. The combination of honey and cinnamon also reduces chronic inflammation, one of the main factors that cause heart diseases. Cinnamon and honey are good taste, and you can make a tasty spread on it to apply it to the bread. You can make the paste in equal parts or as per your taste buds. If you like this video, share it with others and subscribe to the channel.